Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade mint ice cream. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 cup of whole milk. Don't forget 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 4 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. An ice cream maker will ensure a perfectly creamy result. Now, let's infuse that wonderful mint flavor. Combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and fresh mint leaves in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat until it just begins to simmer. Then reduce the heat and let it steep for about 15 minutes. This allows the mint to release its full aroma. Afterward, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the leaves. Next, we'll create our rich custard base. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the remaining sugar until they are light and pale. Slowly, and while whisking constantly, pour about 1/3 of the warm mint cream into the egg mixture to temper it. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring continuously until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Finally, it's time to churn our delicious ice cream. First, make sure your custard base is completely chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Pour the cold custard into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes. Once churned, transfer the soft ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for another 2 to 3 hours to achieve a firm, scoopable consistency. Enjoy your homemade mint ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.